You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting Japanese word. If you want to learn more about Japanese, make sure to stay tuned. That's also a name. It's a name, but it's also the early moon is what it means. It's also the month of May in Japan. Satsuki is how it is pronounced. So you have a very soft U sound, which is for the letter U. So it's not entirely silent, the U, but it is pronounced ever so softly in Japanese. Satsuki is how it's said. So you can almost consider it silent and say Satsuki. It's almost better than Satsuki. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.